muangalie mama anajaza hapa vitu.
Na dada alikuwa ameiba asubuhi. Si nilikwambia?
Britani wote wote wako kwa ndani ya nyumba. Hii mama anaenda tafuta nini msituni na kijana yake?
A chief woman. Shame on you. Shame on you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Mimi sijapeana ballot. Sijapeana ballot.
Hapa kuna maneno ya ballot. Hapa ni credit from 34A, from 34B, from 34A na from 35A. Wacha maneno ya kweli. Bado tumepakana hivi hapa.
Kwani tukosea asubuhi kwa police station.
Yaani alipata koroga watu kwa police station na ni mama msee kama hii.
Nasokon, I was with him. Nasokon.
Ndio bwana yako.
Hiyo haiwezekani.
Unaona hata hii imefungwa.
Nini jana?
Unaona hii imefungwa. Naona kama haijafungwa.
Haijafungwa. Niliaita watu. Na wewe sijui ni kijana wake. Wapi huyo msichana hapa jana? Impossible. This is a criminal chief.
Nyamaza sasa hapa tatu ya hapo.
Other altered results. Garata, Rototo, where we were getting over 500 votes, and Ruto was getting less than 50 votes, and they were swapping it. So they gave the Joy Bargain, and then Majimoto, and Narok is somebody is already in prison, and then there are several others in Limolelian was also done the same, and several other places. So, and Tonai has been saying that he'll ensure that I'm not governed. And that is exactly what he did. When my agents were actually sent away from Kapenguria, Narok South, and Narok West, where the challenges were predominant. They were chased away with bangers. There are boxes even there now, which were actually dismantled. They were opened, and the papers scattered, and nobody has raised an issue about it. And there was only one box which was left intact, one ballot box, and that is of the president. What was the logic? That all the other boxes were destroyed, except the one for the president. And IBC is behaving as if nothing has happened. From yesterday, we have been waiting for the county tallying center to be open. It is under lock and key. I don't know why. So where do the results go to? Because what it means is that somebody is trying to delay the results so that they can actually doctor them. Because why would there be an election? And the county tallying center is closed. It's locked. So are they counting the county? What is the logic? So we are saying, yeah, just suspend everything. Suspend everything. Please suspend anything. Don't declare anything. In Narok, till all boxes are reopened and vote counted. That's what we are demanding. And we are not going to back down. We are demanding that we cannot be elected by our people, and somebody else decide that we are not going to be the leaders. That one is not acceptable. It's not acceptable, and I'm not going to accept it. So let it be on record.